Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing the exact loadout and position that lets you control the encounter. Equip the high AR sword and the 0.5's interrupt tool. Make sure you have 30% fire resistance. Once grouped, assign roles. Tank holds aggro, DPS times bursts, healer conserves mana. Move to the left alcove to reduce ad spawns, and when the boss begins the initial chant, you hit the interrupt. This first strike prevents the enraged timer and gives you a clean opening to stack damage. Once the fight is underway, focus on sustaining pressure without overextending. You alternate a 10-second high-burst window with 20 seconds of steady damage. This rhythm keeps ad control and resource balance. Make sure to use consumables when the tank hits 50% HP, and to cleanse aura, stacks at 3 stacks to prevent the boss from entering a dangerous phase. Also, coordinate 2 interrupts per cycle. Save the stun for the second cast, so you get a 4-second uninterrupted. You close the fight by timing a synchronized final burst once the boss reaches 15% health. Pop every cooldown and bring both ally summons to amplify damage. Once done, pull the boss to center so he cannot teleport players off stage, and keep using 0.5's interrupts until the last tick of health disappears. If something goes wrong, switch the healer to defensive mode, reapply crowd control to stop ads, and don't hesitate to reset the encounter. A quick reset is faster than a wipe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.